everyone. You might be wondering what I'm doing with a pencil and a drawing book because today I'm going to show you how to draw an ice cream truck.
Awesome. Let's go.
First, you draw the floor like that. Have you done it? Okay. Now you just need to draw the back, which the truck is like this. And then you draw another square just like that. Then you need to add two wheels. They can be as big or as close as you want. Just this one needs to be here. You can't move it anywhere else. Then you need to draw a window here and another there. If you want, draw a steering wheel and a seat. After that, if you also want to do it, you can draw two chimneys, which only very rare trucks have. Then you have to make a hole in this and leave a small space. Here you will draw a square and write MENU. Then you can draw any type of ice cream you want. I'm going to draw a sundae. Then you can write scribbles, or if you want, write real what it is and all that. And you can also draw an ice cream cone and also write other scribbles. Then you can also draw a stick ice cream, which is like that. And you also do more scribbles. Then here you can draw here a freezer. And inside you can draw one ice ball, another ice ball with a spoon inside, and another ice ball which has cream on it. Then you can draw some marks over it, which indicates that it's cold. Then you need to draw a person who runs this shop. First, make a rectangle that goes under this and draw an apron. Then you need to draw like a band thing, but if you don't want to, that's alright. Then you can draw an ice cream cone on it. If you don't want to do this, you can just draw an ice cream cone on it. Then you draw his head, which is a rounded circle. You'll draw You'll draw eyes, which are just two tiny dots in his face. You'll draw a small nose, which is a curved semicircle. Then, if you want, you can draw a mustache. I'm doing a mustache. I prefer that. Then you can draw a smile. If you don't want to, that's alright too. I'm not. Actually, I will. Then you need to make his hat, of course, which also has a blamming thing. Then you need to draw his hands. All you have to do then is draw this, which is where the other ice cream is. You can draw a sundae here, just one, remember. Draw cherry on top. Don't forget the stem. You need to then draw lines on the cup. And then here, you'll draw ice cream. And these thingies hold the ice cream. You can also draw more freezing marks. The last thing you need to do is turn your paper to the side Draw a cone. Like that. Draw one scoop. And draw another that goes there. Draw cherry. Draw cream over it. And finally make the cone marks. They're just lines. And then you turn it back the right way and do opposite swing lines. And there, it's done. If you want to see more, tune in to our channel, Savyr Out Loud. And watch some of our book videos too if you're a new person.